Welcome to MiniLAND.ca. Here's how you hang our brand new touchless wand lamps. You'll see that there's two types of systems, one for the wall sconce lamps and one for the ceiling lamps. Our ceiling lamps, they come with a base that has two ridges and the plate comes with two little hooks. Once you get the plate attached to your wall, all you do is just take your ridges, line it with your hooks and give it a little twist to lock it in place. And this works with any of our ceiling lamps. You'll see that they all come with the same type of base. You just want to get the ridges there and lock it in place. And now you have a beautiful hanging lamp. With our wall hanging lamps, you have a different type of plate that has only one hook. And this one, you just bring the light onto there and there's a little ridge inside the base of the lamp that hangs onto the hook. And just like that. What we also love about this is, you know, there's no on-off switches with these lamps. You can actually activate and deactivate it from the outside if you have a wall here. And if your wall is thick, if you have a much thicker wall or a large flame, you can just take the same wand with a stronger magnet and it will turn on and off just like that. So we love that new technology. I also want to show you that all these lights come with a replaceable battery at the base of the lamp. You just unscrew your lamp. The battery is there. You just pop it out. It's type 1632 lithium battery, easily replaceable. It lasts between 24 to 48 hours depending on the maker. And of course, you can pop it out and replace it anytime. Finally, I want to show you how to actually get the lamps on, the plates onto the wall. There's two options for you. One of your options is to use the screwing system. So your light will come with a plate and a little screw like that. And all you do is there's a little type of glue there. You use this glue. Please don't rely on this glue to actually stay on. This is just to help you be able to put it where you need to do, just to screw it in. You can use the screwing system, but for any hard to reach places or places that, or if anything made of ceramic or glass, you can also use a glue option. We recommend a strong glue like Gorilla Glue. That's what we typically use for that. Hope this helped. Thanks so much.